Hi everyone, I'm Keertana. I created online assignment submission tool for the Microsoft Engage Mentorship Program. This is the homepage of the website. The website has the following features. Everyone can create the assignment and grade them, and they can also submit the assignment created by the other users and check for their marks. We can for every assignment the submissions are checked for plagiarism, and and we also have a discussion window where the students and teacher can discuss about the assignment. So I'm just logging into the website. I have already registered. So to create the assignment, we can click on the create assignment button here, and we have to enter a unique code for every assignment and enter the title and set the deadline for the assignment and choose the question file and enter the maximum marks, and we can create the assignment. After the assignment is created, it comes to the grade assignments page. All the assignments that are created by user are displayed here. So before the assignment is graded, other users have to submit the assignment. So submit the assignment, we can click on the submit button here and enter the code that is given by the teacher and search for the assignment. Here we can view the question here and also the deadline, and the student can choose the solution file and leave a comment for the teacher and submit the assignment. After the submission is made, it comes to the My Submissions page where all the assignments that are submitted by the user are visible. To check the marks, they can click on the assignment. It is not yet graded. So the teacher has to grade the assignment. They can grade the assignment by going to the grade assignments page and clicking the assignment that they want to grade. So these are all the marks that I have already entered. We can also edit the marks, and these are all the solution files by the students. These users submitted the assignments, and here is an option to check for plagiarism. By clicking this button, every solution files are compared, and the solution files that are found similar are displayed in red color, and the files that are not found similar are displayed in green color. Here it is marked late because this user submitted the assignment after the deadline. So it takes a little time for to check for plagiarism because we have to compare every solution file with the other. But it is okay because the assignments need not be graded immediately. Uh, so so we can have this plagiarism feature, and this is the page where students and teacher can discuss about the assignment. They can drop a message here, and all the people involving in the assignment can see the message and reply. So after the assignment is graded, uh, students can check in the my submissions page if it is graded, and the points are visible here. I also implemented the forgot password feature, registration and logout feature for this website. Thank you.